Every note in your pocket began its life here, inside one of the most secure facilities on earth.
This paper contains no wood pulp. It's pure cotton and linen, engineered to survive years of circulation. Under infrared light, this ink becomes invisible, letting machines read straight through it to the features beneath. From this moment, every reel is tracked, logged, and accounted for, in cuprits, down to the last sheet.
The face of Gandhi on every rupee note is not printed. It is hand engraved, line by line, into steel.
A single engraved plate may take weeks to complete, and it will print millions of identical faces.
Every plate must align to within a fraction of a human hair, or the entire print run is scrapped. The plate is locked, the press is loaded. The first layer of India's currency is about to begin.
Before a single security feature is added, the note's entire color landscape is built here, layer by layer. These interlocking curves are mathematically unique newts. Reproduced accurately, they are physically impossible to counterfeit.
That color shift happens in your hand, a security feature no scanner or copier can ever replicate. The background is set. Now the features that make this note unforgeable are about to be applied. This machine presses with 70 tons of force, more than the weight of 12 fully grown elephants. You can feel it, that slight roughness under your finger brighting. That's the signature of a genuine note. Hold it to the light, Pernin.
Two halves printed on opposite sides become one perfect image.
Every batch is signed for, sealed, and accounted for, the paperwork as precise as the printing itself.
This room holds the features that separate a genuine rupee from every imitation ever attempted. Three independent sensors check every single sheet. Kolbing. No thread error reaches the next stage undetected. A single lifting edge, a misplaced strip, and the sheet joins the reject pile, never to circulate.
Every sheet entering this hall must be accounted for on exit, and there is no margin for a single note to go missing.
No two notes in circulation carry the same number. O'Neill, a unique identity printed into every single one.
"17 scripts. 17 ways of saying the same number, every character checked by hand.
Every layer is now in place. What comes next will decide which of these sheets ever enters circulation.
200 measurements, every sheet, every feature, every flaw kenning, found before a single note is cut.
The machine reads color not as a human eye does, but as a precise mathematical signature unique to each ink. Even the rejects are counted, locked, and destroyed under supervision. Nothing leaves this building unaccounted for.
Two signatures, one system confirmation, and the notes that will reach 1 billion hands move forward.
Every sheet carries 32 notes. One pass of the blade begins separating them, one by one.
"1,200 notes per minute, counted, checked, and confirmed without a single human hand touching them. $10,000 notes, 5 million rupees, a block you could hold in both hands, memory, ready for the vault. Eight pallets, 1,600,000,000 rupees, waiting in silence for the vault. The last door. Beyond it, every note produced today will wait until the Reserve Bank of India calls for them.
A 5% sample. Every selected briquette opened, counted, and confirmed before a single note leaves. Three vehicles, one destination, and a joint inspection that no one, on any side, can skip or shortcut. Scan complete, verified.
Confirmed, matches manifest.
Secured for transit. Spent on chai, on school fees, on a farmer's seeds, every note a quiet proof that someone, somewhere, made something with their hands.